Hi, my name is Krishna Chetan, founder of Pitch Innovations. I have worked as a music producer for 2 decades in the Indian music industry, primarily under Oscar-winning music composer Mr. A.R. Rahman. So in Indian music, it is very common to have a melody which requires different pitch bend ranges in different notes. So far, the solution that we had is, after we choose our sound, we set different pitch bend ranges in one instrument, and we play half the melody in one track and then duplicate the same instrument, set different pitch bend range, and play the remaining part of the melody in the second track. This has been the workaround for many decades. So after many ideas and iterations, I found a simple and elegant solution to this problem, which I call as scale locked pitch bending system. We focused on one aspect of your MIDI keyboard, the pitch bend wheel, and improved it by multiple folds, removing some of the existing constraints it had and opening new possibilities that were never imagined before. So let's check out fluid pitch in action. So let's see how this sound will work in a traditional pitch bend system without fluid pitch. Traditional pitch bend is always tone bend, so my C is actually going to B flat, but my D sharp is actually going to C sharp, which is not part of the scale, and that's why we are getting this dissonant sound. Fluid pitch solves this problem by using its proprietary scale locked pitch bending system. All you have to do is insert fluid pitch prior to your synth or sampler, and then you will be able to play like this. So for this lead melody, we use fluid pitch in C minor, and I just took out the G sharp note, which is the 6th note of the scale. So my G goes to B flat. So you can see that, just by taking out certain notes that you don't want, you will be able to glide smoothly within the scale that you chose. Fluid pitch is built with a powerful MPE upscale engine, which can transform any standard keyboard into an MPE device. Pitch Innovations was founded with the vision to accelerate the transition between MIDI to MPE in the music instruments industry and to unlock new ways to express music.